Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram enter confirmation code. To know how to fix Instagram enter confirmation code, you should just go to settings like this, you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps. Here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. That you can know how to fix Instagram enter confirmation code. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.